We're back, and you know what time it is because you clicked on the video.
It's time to watch The Rock.
We're watching The Rock. It's just The Rock.
Can you smell it?
That'd be funny. We put that up instead of watching this.
It's just like The Rock doing stuff.
Yeah.
Just living his life.
Yeah, we just watch a Rock video.
Like that kind of rock.
What?
Oh, like a real rock or like The Rock?
No, The Rock. We're on the same
Rock.
page.
Okay. I thought you lost me.
No, I didn't lose you. Trust
okay.
me. We're going into the Spanish episode, as you called it last time.
Okay, look. Look, it says it's in Spanish. And I wasn't sure if the title would also change.
Well, yeah, fair.
No, it's not fair. It's really dumb.
I don't know.
I appreciate you trying to be understanding, but I should have known better. Can we please watch it in Dutch? Anyway,
yeah, we're back with Bocchi.
We got a concert last time.
Yeah, we had the concert, which
cool.
went good despite the horrible storm, which was awful.
Bocchi locked in.
She did. She locked in, got it done. Get it, got it.
We got Nijika backstory, which was good.
That's right. I immediately mixed her up with
Kira.
Kita. Yeah.
Kita.
I don't know why I did
Kita.
that. You said that name, and I'm like, that must be her. But yeah.
And that was good. We did. And it felt very natural and and good, and
I think a good time to have it.
Yeah.
Was after the concert, you know.
Mm-hmm. And then Bocchi is now known as Guitar Hero by Nijika.
Yes.
Which is pretty
cool. I got her. I don't
way,
know
dude.
what's going on with my head.
Yeah.
Let's just start because I can't do this anymore. Nice. Always love being on break. Just sitting there like completely still.
Oh my god, that was 4 days.
Jesus Christ.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. Yeah, is that a requirement for a band? For them
to have to be friends?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never been in a band. I don't know.
Christian, you've been in a band. Let us know.
Tell us, do
you have
like
to be friends, or do you like kind of hate their guts?
Time, you know?
Oh, dude, real.
Yeah, true.
I feel that.
Yeah. Dude, that's a really good profile pic for her, by the way.
Just a banana?
Yeah. What?
What was it?
The top of her head.
Oh, I didn't see it.
With like her little thing of hair.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Yay!
What is happening now? What is this?
I can't do this, man.
Look.
You can't just cut to this, man.
Why do they do this to us?
Oh, but I will.
Oh,
you literally took the futon out from under you, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Man, dude.
You need to you need to get out.
You need to go do something.
You gotta go do something.
If no one else is initiating,
take the initiative.
She has the initiative.
You know? Yeah.
I can't wait to look for these on Clone Hero.
Oh, dude, yeah. I mean, we could probably just figure out what this song is called.
Surely.
Find it, you know?
I just fear if you look this one up, they'll all come up. But it doesn't mean we have to listen to them.
Well, I guess
knowing the title of them isn't
the
anything.
title of them surely isn't a spoiler. Unless it's like Bocchi dies in episode 11.
The death of Bocchi.
Death of Bocchi.
Yeah. She died too young.
That go really hard, actually. True.
Life in a box.
I love that.
I don't know what Enoshima... Oh, the evil aura.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Tortilla.
おーいちょっとぼっちちゃんにあれやめさせてくんない？あれ
What do you mean?
朝からあの調子でライブハウス前に
Jesus Christ.
限界すぎる。なんで変になってんの？
夏休みが今日で終わるからでしょうか。
Farewell,
no, it's
farewell.
It's the last day of summer break. Oh
この
god.
夏どこか遊び誘ってやったの？え？なんかこの前バイトの時休み何してるかって話になって。
妹にギター教えてって言われて教えたりしました。やることいっぱいだし友達とも遊ばなきゃだからお姉ちゃんみたいに毎日練習できないのですごいなと思いました。妹の言葉について考え込んで
Oh my god. That's rough. That is rough.
知らない子いたら後藤さん萎縮しちゃ
Yeah,
うかな。
she would be.
Yeah, true.
私は練習の日以外家片付けたりここでバイトしてたから。
Y'all didn't invite her to do anything.
誰もぼっちちゃんと遊んでない。どこさエキサエンさん、英語じゃ
Oh my god. You gotta get her out of this spiral now, bro.
一緒に海に行きましょうよ。江ノ島とか。いいね。
江ノ島。
下北からなら一本で行けるし、みんなで夏休み最後の思い出作りをしましょう。思い出。
Memories.
I think I have those.
That would be.
泳げないのに
Has
海
something.
に意味ないですよね。でも海の家はまだあるはずよ。
Oh my god.
それで砂浜で海見たり。海。
Ocean, sand, memories. I can't swim.
I'm fucking dead. Oh no. Dude, her imaginary guitar friends are having a good time.
More fun than her.
Yeah. This is brutal, dude.
来年も一緒に来ようね。
Oh my god.
Dead.
That's it. She's done.
なんか追い打ちかけちゃいましたけど。
There's plenty of reasons to go to the beach if you can't swim.
また暴走す
Go
るわ。
Okay,
chill.
let's take her out while she's docile.
ぼっちちゃんのことをよろしくね。
Quickly.
よーし、じゃあ江ノ島へレッツゴー。もう少しの辛抱だから怖い。トロピカ。
Oh my god.
Dude, she's dead.
ここはブラッ
I'm in a black hole at the far reaches of the galaxy.
Dude, get her a memory.
ク暴風だと思います
She needs a summer
I'm
memory.
trapped by the powerful
盛り上がり
gravity.
ますしじゃあ二人とも頭いいんですね。いやー別に私は普通だし亮はね亮は完全に一夜漬けタイプだから受験前は相当頑張ってたけどもう全部忘れちゃったみたいでさ
That's so real.
I love the sound effect there.
まさか亮先輩ってミステリアスで白深いわけではなくいやー脳みそが小さい
Oh no.
この音新曲で使えるかなやめて
Sample it.
Sample
Rio's brain rattle.
軸以外は
Uh-oh.
Curvature of
今
space.
何が見えているの学校でぼっちなの不思議こんなに面白いのにね
That had to be sarcasm.
新学期からは私もちょくちょく会いに行ってみますそうしてあげてぼっちちゃんの今の夢高校中退だしそれ夢って言っていいんですか写真撮りましょう後藤さん
No, not now. No, not now.
Not
Wait.
now, no,
Wait,
please.
no, give her a minute.
が自由行動って言っ
Why are you walking like that, bro? What the hell was that?
That was awesome. She was like hitting the gritty.
Yeah.
後藤さんほら見て
Goto-san, we're going to hit the gritty at the beach.
Come
Quickly.
on.
あれいつの間に
Uh-oh.
How did I get to the beach?
今まで意識なかったんだありがとう北さんいざ来てみるとやっぱり綺麗でいい
ねえお姉ちゃんたち今ならうちの海の家で食べてきなよ可愛い子には
It's a party animal in the flesh. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
She's completely deflated.
Look at that.
Dude, that's awesome. What a
That was
threat.
so good.
What a threatening aura.
Hey. Come eat with us.
タコ船タコを1トンの力でプレスするんだって
That looks.
That's just real.
That's the PNG. Dude, that's fucking hilarious.
This is fucking genius.
乗りますよ
Yeah, that's good.
That was good.
I don't know about the freaky PNG flat
Yeah, the
bread.
PNG's throwing me off a little, you know.
今日はありがとうございましたお疲れ様でしたなんでもうクライマックスに
We just got here, bro.
私の夏は
Oh no.
これからでしょ
Uh-oh.
よ
Oh, Jesus.
Ah, stairs.
階段自力で上がって見る景色ほど素敵なも
Anything
の
more
は
beautiful than stairs?
いやそんなのはいい
No, screw that.
嫌だ
Yada.
ほら行きますよ
Oh god, the aura.
皆さん早く
Oh no. That's an aura
Fuck.
move. When your friend runs off ahead and it's like,
That was like GG.
yeah, true. With the same stairs,
Yeah.
basically. The old lady beside her just walking up.
Like regularly. Escar.
Escalator.
みたいですよ階段で登りましょうよいらっしゃいませ
I have no money.
ベース私いいやつ結構持ってるんですけど1本差し上げ
Hey, no.
3本がお望みですかいやまずはチケット
Oh god.
来月お金返してくださいね私は約束破ったことない前の返してもらってないです
I've never broken a promise in my life.
That's hilarious.
中から払わせるからそんな殺生な
You're inhumane.
ベースカー使ったとはいえ疲れたね
The Escar. Esca. I don't know.
Escar.
How do you, yeah, okay. Yeah.
This is just something.
It's like, yeah.
We're just town folk. We don't know what that means.
Well, isn't it short for escalator?
写真
Maybe.
Esca. I'm over it.
チーズ
Oh my gosh, she's actually smiling. Get her.
Hey.
Hurry.
ちょっと何ぼーっとして
Tropical love.
ごめん兄ちゃん綺麗だから見とれちゃって
Nice. Good move. Good play.
展望台行きま
Wow.
That was smooth, man.
I don't know if I don't know if that's what I would have called it, but hey.
Dude, he's like, this sucks. And then she's like, what? Stop being so rude. And he's like, because you're so great. Dude, he really pulled that around. That was
I
awesome.
don't know, man. Yeah.
I'm impressed.
起こった神は人間の言語をバラバラにし地上を混乱に陥れたああバベルの塔ね
Yeah, dude.
皆さん
Guys, can you focus? Stop talking about the Tower of Babel.
ですね涼しいのは最高だったインドア人たちめ
You filthy indoor types.
You filthy dogs.
アイス代も返す
Please pay me back.
She's just buying everything for her,
も
bro.
う結構遊んだけどねそうですかまだもう一イベントくらい足りてない気がこの音何ですか
What is that?
人の食べ物狙ってくるの
Uh-oh.
で気をつけてうわ
Oh no!
Dude, that guy was quick.
私のアイス食べる
Uh-oh.
No way they get attacked by birds. Okay. They're targeting Bocchi. Oh, I crater. They cratered her.
Oh,
She looks weak. Get her.
あんまり遅くなってもあれだし
The birds really picked on her, bro.
How do I feel about
Holy
Nishika's
shit.
fit? I don't like it.
You're picking on everyone's fit in this show, bro. That happened
I don't
last
know,
time.
man. I wouldn't wear that.
Yeah, well, you're not a woman, are you?
It's not about that. No, male or woman.
芸能の神様なんですみんなで江ノ島来れるなら絶対行きたいって
Bocchi got the best fit, though, let's be real.
I mean, yeah, consistency.
Yeah, true.
今後の活躍をお願いしないと
You guys have no money. Okay, whatever.
Well, that's all of it. Now you gotta take the stairs down.
That's what it said.
神様、ライブ成功させてくれてありがとう。これからもよろしくお願いします。って言えない。神様お願いします。夏休み初日に時間を戻してください。何でもするから戻してください。それか一生食うに困らない巨万の富。
That's genius, actually.
Honestly, yeah.
She just hits a bunch of different things. She's like, make me famous. If you won't do that,
Make me
give me
rich.
a lot of money.
If you won't do that, make
Turn
summer
back time.
last forever.
下北着いたら起こして。
Yo, that's me for real. Penguin stand for Allie.
鎌倉も観光したかったし、
What does that mean?
みんなで晩ご飯。
I don't
You can't just point at it, bro.
know.
What does that mean?
よーし。冬休みは全部結束バンドのみんなだけで遊びましょう。どこ行きたい？毎日思い出作りましょうね。そんな毎日は外
I don't want to go outside every day.
北さん、今日はみんなと遊べて楽しかったです。
Hey, you got one good memory in. That's good.
この夏の思い出を支えに冬休みまで。
That's right.
Is it even gonna last her like a day?
I.
Oh no.
You can't do
It
that.
didn't. It didn't.
具合悪いから今日は休む。
もうひとりちゃん学校行きたくないからってまた嘘ついて。
違う。
No, I'm not lying.
ほらお姉ちゃん。
Ah! Ah!
Well, shit.
ねえねえ北ちゃん、イソスタにあげた江ノ島の写真見たよ。
Easter.
Oh,
Whoa.
stage performers wanted.
Okay.
Okay. Is this new?
I feel like I haven't seen this.
This is definitely new.
Okay.
There's no way.
I feel like we would have recognized this. No, this is definitely not.
Giving everyone the finger. That's what it looked like.
That's
It really
crazy.
did.
That's so funny. Fuck you and you and you.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
That's nice.
That was great. How wonderful. What a wonderful little outro.
Okay. Cool.
Again, so fun. It's just a fun time all around, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. We had all the fun summer. Well, no.
No.
We had one day.
One day.
One fun summer.
One fun summer day.
Not even a full day.
No,
let's be
not
real.
even.
No, it was like half a day probably.
Yep.
Yeah.
But they got some memories, and now she can't go to school
Yeah.
because her legs are damaged.
Yeah. I guess it was probably the climb, right? Surely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must have been the climb.
Could you imagine lifting a rock of that many steps?
That's true. Yeah, she just got to rock around all the time.
I don't know. She's Bocchi the Rock, so I assume.
What is this bit? What is this-
I'm joking that she would
what
be
is this
heavy.
joke? And I was trying to play on that and be like, oh, she must be carrying a rock everywhere, huh?
No, she is the Rock.
Okay, you know what? I'm over it. You can do better. Do better. I hate people that say that shit. Dude, piss me off.
Like, what the fuck are you doing, huh? Ow. That really hurt.
Yeah?
Yeah, thanks for joining us, everybody.
He's over it too. Anyway. Birds. Don't get attacked by birds.
That's a
the one.
really good message to end this on.
Don't be so weak that you get attacked by
That's
birds.
the goal of life.
Yeah.
Be stronger than birds.
Be stronger than birds.
It can't be that hard, guys.